As India targets to becoming a global economic powerhouse, it needs to equip its workforce with employable skills and knowledge to make India a developed economy. I am Cadet Abhijit Panda representing Ramnagar College 46 Bengal BNNCC. Today I will be speaking about the importance of skill development. You can cut down a tree with a hammer, but it takes about 30 days. If you trade the hammer for an axe, you can cut it down about 30 minutes. The difference between 30 days and 30 minutes is skills. That means skill development is a process of identifying your skill gap and ensuring you develop those skills. Your skills determine your ability and execute plans and achieve your goals. Being the second most populous country in the world after China, India faced the massive challenges of providing food, housing, employment to its citizens. In today's age of globalization and technological volatility, skills building is an important instrument to increase the efficiency and quality of labor for improved productivity and economic growth. Skills are as important as your educational degree because as you cannot apply for a job without required educational qualification, you would also not be able to manage a job or profession or a career with a lack of necessary skills. You must develop some sort of skills whether you will do a job or business or anything else. Only skills can differentiate between you and a general candidate in job search. That's why skilled people are special in terms of qualification regardless of educational qualification. Experts show concern to develop skill in students from a young age because students are preparing themselves to enter into the career after completing of their studies. In fact, a career is almost impossible without some specific skills, whether it is technical skills or hard skills or soft skills or life skills, etc. Now let's talk about importance of skill development in student life. Skills development in student life is essential in order to face the challenges of everyday life. There dramatic change in the world due to the unprecedented use of technology during the past few decades. These transformations impact all of our life, including education, economy, career, etc. To cope up with the increasing phase and challenges, students should learn the necessary skills to make sure of their desired career. They must be able to deal with competitions in the job market. Only those who have technical skills and soft skills will be stand out from the crowd. Technical skills in career will generate high income while soft skills provide greater career prospects. Without skills, you are just like a newborn human baby who knows nothing and can do nothing. Career prospects. Without skills, you are just like a newborn human baby who knows nothing and can do nothing. Suppose you desire to become an entrepreneur or businessman. In both cases, whether you will be an entrepreneur or doing business, you must need pragmatic skills in that area. Otherwise, you will be a failure. Now, skillful people all over across the world are not only in high demand in the job market but also earn more. India needs more than 700 million skilled workers by 2022. In Bangladesh, many companies hire skilled people from abroad. This is because they cannot find skillful people from their own country. Fortunately, the Indian government has undertaken numerous initiatives for skill developments. Some of these are Pradhan Mantri Kushal Vikas Yojana, Udan, India International Skill Center, Craftsman Training Scheme, Advanced Vocational Training Scheme, etc. During this, skill development of more than 5 crore people has been done, and this campaign continues. On the end of this my video, or the end of this my speech, I would say you should remember to stay healthy, maintain social distancing, wear mask, and stop spitting during the worldwide pandemic. Thank you. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.